James will try. Let's see if it's good.
Oh no. Put it in the sauce first.
Good. Hello peoples. Today is Thursday. Ayan, papunta tayo sa check-up natin with the OB kasi magsascan ulit si baby ngayon. 20 weeks na kami. Ayan. Tapos nandito tayo sa Mayonse. Naglalakad ako. Pakikita ko rin sa inyo dito kasi may mga cherry blossoms dito. Look at that. Hindi yan cherry blossoms pero ang ganda rin ng flower na yun. Ayun, yung cherry blossoms yun. Nandun sa dulo. Medyo maputi-puti pa yung kulay niya. Hindi pa siya ganun ka-pink. Parang next week yata yung pink. Yung cherry blossoms. Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda. And this side too. Beautiful. Tingnan nyo to guys, ang ganda ng tree na to. Nandito na tayo, pakascan. Waiting for the doctor. Is that the head? Head of the baby? Head. Move a lot, move a lot. Naughty baby. Yeah. So cute. Ayun guys, tapos na pala yung scan natin. Pauwi na ako ng bahay. The cherry blossoms guys. Ayan. Matagal yung scan kanina kasi si baby ayaw magpakita, nakadapa. Pero sabi ng doctor, para daw siyang nag-yoga. Ang kulit-kulit niya, galaw siya ng galaw. Ayun. Kaya medyo matagal yung scan kasi yung unang scan, hindi makita yung kanyang head. So, sabi sa akin, maglakad-lakad daw muna ako para ma-check nila yung head ni baby.
The next day.
Hello peoples! Today is Friday. Aalis tayo kasi pupunta tayo sa isang park na maraming cherry blossoms. So ayan, kasama ko yung mga friends natin dito, yung Tuesday group. Ayan. So ngayon naka-ready na ako kasi kailangan namin magkita in 5 minutes. So lalabas na tayo para hindi tayo late. So ayan, dalhin ko kayo doon. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga cherry blossoms. Excited ako!
비누스 이
Look at that dog peeing. May mga photo booth. If you wanna do photo booth, they have it here. So, hi! Welcome guys! Welcome guys!
Welcome back to my channel.
Say it.
Welcome back to my channel.
So what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna be influencers.
Influencers.
Yeah.
So we're here, we're
I need to
walking.
clean up my sweaty forehead.
Yan yung mga cherry blossoms na petals. Nalalagas na sila, pero may maganda-ganda pa rin. Marami pa rin mga pink doon. And there. Maganda rin dito sa gabi kasi may pailaw sila. Yan. More petals. More petals. Look at those. Ang ganda ng mga flowers. So, busy lang talaga ngayon kasi holiday. So, it's so beautiful. Ang ganda. My husband. That's the reality. Everyone's taking a photo. Andito pala kami sa may waterfalls na malapit sa bahay namin. Ayan pala yung waterfalls, guys. Tapos, ayun yung mga cherry blossoms sa taas. Doon kami galing sa taas.
Kelly and Kaya did it.
No, you did it.
He put the base. We were not smart enough.
What are you cooking? Satisfied. Oh. The baby want the food.
For our YouTube
You
channel.
wanted me to film him.
It's for my subscribers.
Is it for what? For your subscribers. Okay, you have to tell your subscribers what are you eating right now.
It's pork cutlet. It's very good. With kimchi soup.
Where are we?
I don't know where we are.
Why are we here?
We
What
came to see
happened?
Ghostbusters.
But
Ghostbusters wasn't on. Second time in 2 weeks.
second time in 2 weeks. Next week pa pala. So we end up eating early dinner. Is it good?
Very good.
Very good. Somebody's eating my food. Finish that, and then now
Being shamed.
my food.
I'm eating for two.
He's eating for two, actually. Yeah. Pimples, pimples, pimples everywhere. And now milk tea. Siya nag-aya niyan. Mag-milk tea daw kami. Tapos meron pa siyang chocolate chip. Talaga naman, naglilihi. Cravings. Wow, yummy. Hutok. Yummy hutok.
Scared. So full.
Yeah. Ito yung favorite kong dessert dito sa Korea. Hutok ang tawag nila. Hutok. Hutok. It has cinnamon and What's this? Like sesame seed inside.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Sarap, sarap.
Depends on the size.
Magpapa, ano kami
19
ng...
for two of us, that's fine.
Yeah, let's have that caricature here.
Only two.
The model. Ah, so cute. Look at you, baby. Ah, very nice. Thank you. 감사합니다. Yeah. Very nice. Oh, so cute. Thank you. Thank you.